Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spicy miso soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 cups of dashi stock, about 3 tablespoons of your favorite miso paste, 1 block of firm tofu, and fresh vegetables like shiitake mushrooms and green onions. Don't forget your spicy kick, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons of gochujang or chili oil, to give it that wonderful warmth and depth of flavor. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup. Begin by gently heating 4 cups of dashi stock in a medium pot over medium-low heat. It's important not to boil the dashi. In a separate small bowl, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso paste and whisk it with a small ladleful of the warm dashi until it's completely smooth. This prevents the miso from clumping when added to the main pot, ensuring a silky texture. With our dashi and miso base ready, it's time to add the exciting spicy elements and fresh ingredients. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred spicy ingredient, like gochujang or chili oil, adjusting to your taste. Then, gently add 1 block of cubed firm tofu and about 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. Let the soup simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the vegetables to become tender crisp. Finally, for the perfect finish, once your vegetables are cooked, remove the pot from the heat immediately. This is crucial to preserve the delicate probiotics and flavor of the miso. Ladle the hot, spicy miso soup into bowls. Garnish each serving generously with fresh, thinly sliced green onions. Serve your delicious, homemade spicy miso soup immediately to enjoy its comforting warmth and vibrant flavors. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.